everyone, and welcome back to Moonfire Studios. This is Cindy, and I have a little box opening from DonkeyJournals _ Paper Love from Instagram. She has pop-up sales on the weekends there, and I highly recommend you check her out. I'm making this a quick video. It's a little box this time. Yay! I kind of controlled myself. Woohoo! But it's a quick video this time because I thought I might want to use these in my super special secret announcement thingy that's coming out at the end of the week. And it's I'm just bouncing around because I want to show these things to you guys and want to tell you what they are, but I'm being a very good girl and keeping it a secret. But I thought there might be something in here because you know me, I can never ever remember what I got from when, so it's always like it's a surprise treasure box every time I open it. So let's without further ado, get right into the box. Bubble wrap. Oh, that was really loud. I'm really sorry. Oh, here's a little packet. And she always packages things super well. And they get from overseas to the US in like a week. So it's really, really nice. Here's some tickets. I love tickets. She has the best tickets. Ooh, and these are, dude, oh, this is a cardboard, like a chipboard one. How cool is that? That's really awesome. There's another couple chipboard ones. These are so cool. Here's a few paper ones. And she always has stuff that's in wonderful condition. And she'll let you know if there happens to be anything wrong with stuff. And she has the nicest pictures. Oh, look at that cute little card. Some really nice paper. Oh, there's two of them. Sweet. Oh, lucky spades. These are so cool. I love these. These are little, like, coin envelope bags. These are so neat. And let's see what's in here. Oh, cool. Transit tickets. A whole stack. Awesome. Oh, look at that cool tobacco bag. That's really nice. Super thick. Oh, this is a neat piece. Very cute. That might go with what I'm making. Oh, a nice piece of glassine. I think it's glassine. Feels like it. That's pretty. Some cool labels. Little handwritten note deck. Oh, cool stamp. I love stamps. Finland stamp. That's awesome. Is my light too bright? Try that. That might be a little better. Oh, these are cool too. Ooh, I like this. This is neat. This is probably going to go in what I'm making. A little poem. Piece of handwriting. Cute. Oh, I like these. These are fun. Little price tags. With a little perforation on the bottom. That's kind of neat. So you can do like a little reveal thing or something. Huh. Why Smith left home. That's funny. Oh, cool. Oh, these are cool. These are prescriptions. How neat are they? That's awesome. Railway cards. Got a bunch of those. And I like how she does these also. She'll do individuals and she'll do sets, and if you need to work with her on things, she will do that also. So that's really nice. Oh, look at these cool checks. I like when they have the punches in them. These are so neat. And here's some check stubs. Unused. But these are fun to put in things. Make little pockets or tags or pull tabs. Oh, these are cool. These are really, really delicate. Look how thin that is. They're this awesome aqua color. It's so super fine. How cool is that? Okay, oh, I love, oh, neat. Japanese pages, these are awesome. I am hoping to do a personal Japanese style book for myself because I just love it. And if I do a good job, maybe then I will make one to sell for you guys. I hope. This is so cool. Here's some, excuse me, my throat. Here's some really cool Baltimore, Ohio railway stocks. I think these are really pretty. I like the backs of these as well. And the last bundle for today. Now, she knows that I do not mind if my things are rolled or folded, unless I state otherwise. But if you do not want things rolled or folded, she will make let me just get this off here real quick. She will do arrangements with you so that your things will lay flat, should you choose so. But I usually roll and fold my stuff anyway, so there you have it. Sorry about the beeping. I forgot to turn my notifications down. This is really cool. I like the railway stuff that she gets. And then some really awesome file separators. These are really cool. They have the alphabet on them, and I don't know if you can see, that one says journal on it. That's cool. I'd probably be using that in the neat thing that I'm making. Hint, hint, nod, nod, wink, wink. But that's not all. Super cool. Alright guys, sorry for the rush job today, but I am really excited to do this announcement video that I've got for you, and I hope you love what Moonfire Studios is bringing out to you. So I will catch you guys soon. This video may or may not be put out before and or after the weekend. So I'm hoping to get our thing up on Friday. Today is Wednesday, so this may come out afterwards, but if it does, I will link it down below and up above, and I will see you there. So everybody have a happy crafty day, and bye-bye. Oh, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I do really appreciate each and every one of you, new and old, tuning into me and your feedbacks and your support. And without you, Moonfire Studios would not be able to grow and continue to grow. So, bottom of my heart, thank you everyone. Bye.